BNB, the coin of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by daily traded volume, has taken a hit along with the rest of the cryptocurrency sector, shedding a third of its value since the start of June. BNB is consistently ranked in the top 5 largest coins and tokens by market capitalization. But the strong bearish turn the cryptocurrency markets have taken has dragged the BNB price lower. What is a realistic target price for the coin in the future? This video looks at the latest Binance price projections to help you decide whether to buy, hold, or sell the coin. BNB is the native token of the Binance ecosystem, which includes its cryptocurrency exchange. Binance, which was banned in the UK in 2021, was co-founded in July 2017 by CEO Changpeng Zhao, known as CZ, a former head of Tradebook Futures Development at Bloomberg, head of development at Blockchain and a co-founder of Chinese fiat-to-crypto exchange OKCoin in 2014, he, co-founder of OKCoin, and Roger Wang, the company's chief technology officer, who previously worked at Nomura Securities and Morgan Stanley. The name Binance is based on the concept of binary finance. The Binance ecosystem goes beyond the exchange to include the Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, Binance Academy, Trust Wallet, Binance Research and Binance Launchpad projects, which use blockchain technology to provide various financial services. The BNB token is used to pay for transaction fees on BSC, participation in token sales and digital payments. Exchange users who pay their transaction fees with BNB receive discounts of 10% to 25%. Binance reduces the supply of BNB every quarter in coin burns based on the amount of trading volume. Binance will continue the quarterly coin burns until 100 million BNB are destroyed, equivalent to 50% of the total supply. On April 19, the 19th BNB burn destroyed 1.8 M BNB in an autoburn, worth around $741 million. The 20th burn, scheduled for the second quarter, is estimated to burn another 1.9 million BNB coins, valued at around $683 million up to June 16. The Binance coin was initially an ERC-20 token operating on the Ethereum blockchain. But the company launched its own Binance Chain blockchain, which uses the Tendermint Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus mechanism. As the Binance Chain was not designed to support smart contracts, unlike Ethereum, the BSC was launched in September 2020 as a parallel chain to run smart contract-based applications. This has become more important with the emergence of decentralized finance applications and non-fungible tokens. Binance Labs, the ecosystem's venture capital arm, invests in cryptocurrency projects and has made a slew of announcements this month. The venture said at the start of June that it had closed a new $500 million investment fund supported by global institutional investors, including DST Global Partners and Briar Capital. The fund will invest in projects that can extend the use cases of cryptocurrencies and drive the adoption of Web3 and blockchain technologies, according to the announcement. On June 6, Binance Labs announced an investment in decentralized exchange pancakeswap's Cake token. pancakeswap, which launched in September 2020, has become the largest decentralized application on the BNB chain with over 400,000 daily active users. pancakeswap has been leading the development and mass adoption of BNB chain. Given that pancakeswap is the most widely used dApp and the DeFi project with the highest total value locked on BNB chain, we have and will continue to provide strong support for the project, Bill Qian, head Binance Labs said. Binance Labs has also invested in the seed funding round of the Apollo XDX, along with Kronos Research, Lingfeng Capital, SafePal, Token Pocket, 3 and LUX Capital. Apollo X will use the funding to add new features to its trading service and shift to self-governance as a decentralized autonomous organization. Binance Labs has also invested in Tatsumiko, an immersive fantasy role-playing game. Tatsumiko will use the investment to develop the game to be released on the Ethereum and Solana blockchains. Binance has also added new functionality, selecting Triply as a global cryptocurrency payment gateway for Binance Pay, which enables users of the Binance app to pay retailers using cryptocurrency. On June 15, Binance Pay announced a partnership with transport app SPLYT to allow Binance users to access ride-hailing services and experiences from within the Binance app. The Binance Coin chart shows that the price soared in 2021, from $37.91 at the start of the year, to an all-time high of $690.93 on May 10. It closed the year at $511.71, for a gain of 1,268.9%. But the price dropped to $371.37 on January 24, 2022, and fell further to $361.23 on February 24, in line with the wider cryptocurrency markets led by Bitcoin. The BNB price has remained volatile, rising to a high of $408.48 on March 1, before retreating to $360.30 on March 14, then trending higher with other cryptos to reach $459.81 on April 5. But BNB then turned lower and plunged to $216.36 on May 12 as cryptocurrency markets sold off sharply. The price moved up to $336.67 on May 25, but subsequently retreated again. On June 6, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission started an investigation on whether Binance's initial coin offering of its Binance Coin token in 2017 was an unregistered security offering, as reported by Bloomberg citing confidential sources. Responding to the allegations, a spokesperson for Binance told CoinDesk via email, "As the industry has grown at a rapid pace, we have been working very diligently to educate and assist law enforcement and regulators in the U.S. and internationally, while also adhering to new guidelines. We will continue to meet all requirements set by regulators." The BNB token plunged down 4% on the news on June 6, and briefly slid below the $200 mark on June 15. On June 16, the price rebounded to $222.83. So what are the expectations from forecast sites for the BNB token for the rest of the year and beyond? Is there potential for the price to rebound, or will it continue to shed value? Short-term sentiment on the BNB price was bearish on June 16, according to CoinCodex, with only 6 technical analysis indicators showing bullish signals compared with 27 bearish signals. But CoinCodex's BNB price prediction estimated that the price would rise to $224.55 on June 21. Meanwhile, forecasting service wallet investor was bullish on the longer-term outlook, with the website's algorithm predicting that the BNB price could rise to $377.147 by the end of 2022 and move up to $614.771 by the end of 2023. Wallet investors' BNB price prediction for 2025 had the price surging to $1,092.480 by the end of that year. Digital Coin Price was also bullish in its BNB coin price prediction. Based on historical data, the site's BNB price prediction for 2022 indicated that the price could average $293.80 and then move up to $316.26 in 2023, $429.27 in 2025 and $1,019.02 by 2030. Price prediction was even more bullish in its BNB coin price prediction. The website's deep artificial intelligence-assisted technical analysis projected that the BNB price could rise from an average of $368.75 in 2022 to $520.39 in 2023 and $1,153.20 in 2025. Price Prediction's BNB price prediction for 2030 showed the coin soaring in value to $7,046.05 by 2030. When evaluating a Binance coin price prediction, it's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets are extremely volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict what a coin's price will be in a few hours, and even harder to give long-term estimates for the future. As such, analysts and algorithm-based forecasters can and do get their predictions wrong. If you are considering investing in cryptocurrency tokens, we recommend that you always do your own research. Look at the latest market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion before making any trading decision. Keep in mind that past performance is no guarantee of future returns. And never invest money that you cannot afford to lose.